Welcome guys. Let's do Bitcoin technical analysis and let me please tell you what our next target of the Bitcoin right now. So watch this video until end and please subscribe my channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. And if you want to get a $3,500 bonus of Binance, Bybit and Fimex Exchange, new $1,200 bonus of Fimex Exchange, and $700 bonus of Binance and $1,600 bonus of Bybit exchanges. Links are in this video's description. Just go to in this video's comment section or in description where you can get these links. Click on these links and after deposit you can get these bonuses, but you have to deposit minimum 1 BTC. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you what are new targets and my new charts right now. This is Bitcoin daily chart and here you can see this is strong resistance line, and after hitting look at these three boxes. After hitting several times, Bitcoin price pull back, and here you can see. Once Bitcoin break this box area and close daily candle above 40,600, 40,700, in that case, definitely a new rally of Bitcoin definitely will start after this. But let me please show you a pattern which will clear all things and which will clear your mind and thinking about Bitcoin next move. Let me please show you. This is bump and run reversal bottom pattern. Here you can see this is a strong resistance line. Here you can see several touches. Here you can see several touches. Once candles break this area, this down sloping resistance line, then candles have to retest this area again, and after that we see a massive pullback and a massive rally towards upside. And here you can see several touches in these box areas, and candles again touches this down trend line and upper trend line which is acting as resistance line, and candles are now here, let me please zoom this. Here you can see candles are again this daily candle is again below this trend line, and this is the confirmation. I think the next move of the Bitcoin will be like this. And if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and please do me a favor and join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description too. This is the pattern and these are the targets, and I think Bitcoin have to follow this pattern, and Bitcoin price should have to follow this pattern and have to clear these targets, and it can lead Bitcoin to again $55,000, maybe $60,000 very, very soon. We have to wait and we have to be very, very careful in trading. Let me please show you the volume. Actual thing is the volume is missing right now. Here you can see very low volume. We need that kind of daily volume in order to big move. In order to if Bitcoin price moves strongly, then we need that kind of volume, but currently volume is missing in these charts. Let me please show you my next chart. Here you can see sorry for that. Here you can see this is Bitcoin 4 hourly chart, and Bitcoin price varies after several touches. Bitcoin here you can see Bitcoin is very much in uptrend. Here you can see price of the Bitcoin is in uptrend. And now what is the next? Let me please show you. According to that support line, maybe Bitcoin price can retest this zone, and after touching this zone, $40,800, I think price of the Bitcoin have to move towards upside. But before this, there is a support for the Bitcoin. Let me please show you the support area, which is very strong support, I think so, and it is at $41,000 level. Bitcoin price have to hold this area, $41,000, and after that I think Bitcoin price definitely will move towards upside and will create new highs. I think 50,000 is very, very near, and Bitcoin price can hit $50,000 price target. I think very near in a very speedy way, I think so. And I think let me please show you 4 hour volume. 4 hour volume is also missing, and due to maybe holidays, but volume is missing. I think we need strong volume confirmations. Once strong volume comes in Bitcoin charts, after that definitely price of the Bitcoin will move towards upside. This is Bitcoin 4-hour chart, and here you can see after several touches and Bitcoin is in this uptrend. Here you can see, and now this is a strong support zone for the Bitcoin, $41,000. If price goes down, and it can act like a support zone, and these blue lines are support zone for the Bitcoin price, and after hitting that, I think price of the Bitcoin can move like this. Let me please show you like this. And the minimum target, minimum first target is $45,000 to $46,000. This is not a financial advice or not a trading signal. This is just my technical knowledge that I am sharing with you. And here you can see, let me please zoom this. Here you can see. Friends, if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now, and hit the like button right now. And follow me on Twitter and Telegram too. Links are in this video's description. Here you can see this blue line, central blue line, is acting like a support and resistance zone for the Bitcoin. Here you can see after touching this line, price goes down. Here you can see, and here you can see now acting like a resistance zone. After that, here you can see after that it is like a resistance zone, and after here you can see it is also acting like a resistance zone here too. And once Bitcoin price break this area, $43,000, this area, in that case 45,000, 46,000 is very near, and I think Bitcoin can hit these targets. Bitcoin price can hit these targets very soon. We have to be very careful. Let me please show you the major chart, and this is the same chart as it is, and but there are some difference. Let me please show you. This white line is 50 daily EMA, and this blue line is 20 daily EMA. Here you can see whenever this crossover happens towards the upside or towards downside, big move in Bitcoin price we can see. Here you can see crossover towards downside, and after that big move towards downside. Here you can see crossover towards upside and big move towards upside. And here you can see, let me please show you again, crossover towards upside, and here you can see a big move towards upside, crossover towards upside, big move of Bitcoin price towards upside, crossover towards downside, and after that Bitcoin price goes down, and Bitcoin is following this these EMAs and these actions. And here you can see, let me please zoom this. Here you can see Bitcoin EMAs 20 EMA cross 50 daily EMA. Here you can see, let me please zoom this towards upside. Here you can see very much clearly, and this is a bullish signal. And Bitcoin this box is must hold area for the Bitcoin, and it is as I show you, it is bump and run reversal pattern. And after that, once Bitcoin price break this area, in that case price of the Bitcoin will boost, and after that price of the Bitcoin definitely will go up after breaking this. But we have to be very conscious about this. If the Bitcoin price fails to break this area and fails to break $43,000 area, in that case price of the Bitcoin can go down to maybe 40,000, maybe 38,000. Again, we have to be very careful. This is Bitcoin daily chart, and here you can see these are support zone for the Bitcoin. These lines, $38,000, $38,500 area, $40,500 price area, and $42,500 price area. And Bitcoin price is bouncing in between these areas. Here, let me please show you. I think Bitcoin is in consolidation phase, and after that Bitcoin price will move and will break this horizontal resistance, which is at $42,500. Once Bitcoin break this area, this price area $42,500, in that case new rally towards upside will start, and according to the support and resistance base, our target will be like this. Friend, if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now, and follow me on Twitter and Telegram too. And there will be a move, I think 3.76%, and price can hit easily $44,000 and $45,000 once Bitcoin break $42,500 and close daily candles above this. A daily candle above this. In that case, 40,000 is the minimum target, 45,000, 46,000, 50,000 is very near once Bitcoin breaks this. This is my technical analysis. I hope so you like this, and if you like this, then please thumbs up the like button right now, and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And please, if you want to get these bonuses, go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and these links. You can get $3,500 bonus of Binance, Bybit and Fimex exchange, Fimex 1200 new bonus, Bybit $1,600 bonus, and Binance $700 bonus. But to get these bonuses, you have to click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit, which will be minimum 1 BTC, you can get these bonuses. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.